Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to our videos. Our next dish is a vegan stuffed Mediterranean. Our next dish is a vegan stuffed Mediterranean sweet potato. Right. So let me start off by saying that we're using a lot of quinoa. But look at your daily menu. You probably use a lot of rice, a lot of pasta. Quinoa is very healthy for you. A whole bunch better, healthier than the rice. A whole bunch better. Yes, I said that.
A whole bunch better.
Yes.
Than rice and pasta.
And pasta. Yes.
Exactly. All right, again, here's another simple dish for you. This is sauteed spinach, onions, and red peppers. And the only thing we're gonna do, we're gonna add quinoa. Gonna mix that in. Chickpeas.
All of them.
Just about a half cup. I think that's good. We're gonna add, this is our seasoning, which is thyme, garlic powder, and dill. And then we have a kalamata, olives.
Kalamata.
Mata. And then sun-dried tomatoes, about a fourth a cup. I think that's too many. This is another great dish. Again, it's all about the flavors. Once you get used and you're okay with all the amazing flavors and experiences you hadn't had before, you will actually love this. And this dish here, you could really eat separately. Again, it's another, you gonna add more?
Yes.
Did you? Okay.
You didn't put no jalapeno peppers in it?
No, this is a Mediterranean sweet potato.
Oh.
Not hot.
They don't eat jalapenos?
I don't know. It's Mediterranean, not Mexican. All right, and the only thing we're gonna do, you can eat this like it is, or
well, it's good just like it is.
One of my favorite things is to stuff a sweet potato or stuff a white potato. But basically, the only thing you're doing, you're taking this mixture here and you're gonna stuff your sweet potato. And again, popping flavors.
You have the sweet, you have the tangy with the olives.
Okay, I'm done. So again, very simple. It's just about preparation. So you ready to eat? Try this one?
Yeah, let's try this one. Get some potato. Yeah, that's good. I would want something spicy on that though, hot.
No, it's the flavors, the olives, the spinach, and the sweet. You would love this. Again, packed with protein, fiber. It's exactly what you need. Our cameraman is not being.
It's good. It really is. All right, don't forget to ask us questions and we'll respond.